Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
how are you?
Very well, thank you. Very
I'm
well. So, so welcome to Cambly. My name is Harry. What is your name?
I'm Sultan Ahmed Khan.
I'm pleased to meet you. How long have you been learning English for? How long?
It has been almost 8 years.
Years. Wow, that's a long time. Very good though. And for you,
Mhm.
what has been the most difficult thing about learning English?
Uh, I personally think when learning is something you can learn, but the main thing is practice.
Of course,
If
yeah,
you don't practice, so you will not get fluent in
yeah,
speaking
that's
English.
true. That's true. That is definitely true. Okay, what do you teach?
English.
Ah, okay. So let me guess, you're using Cambly so you can practice, just maintain what you already know. Okay.
Yes.
Let me guess, is your
Mhm.
native language Urdu?
Yes,
And can you also speak Arabic?
I can. I can read Arabic,
Yeah.
but I cannot speak this language.
Ah, okay. And what is it like living in Saudi Arabia? As someone who is from Pakistan, what is life for you
Mhm.
like in Saudi Arabia?
Saudi Arabia is a very peaceful place to live
Yeah.
in,
Yeah.
and it is very clean as well.
And if you could travel the world but visit five different
Mhm,
countries, which five countries would you like
mhm.
to visit?
Actually, I'm not a person who likes to visit different countries,
Okay.
and but I will maybe I will go to Turkey.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Why Turkey?
Why Turkey? It's a good question. Actually, one of the TV series from Turkey got very famous in Pakistan.
Okay. Tell me about it.
So it was about Islamic history, and it literally got very popular in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Not only Pakistan, but all other Muslim countries as well.
Ah. So was it about like Islamic history, the Islamic history of Turkey?
It is about Ottoman Empire.
Yeah, I know the one. Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
And what can you tell me about the Ottoman Empire?
That was the era of Muslim history when they ruled the world,
Yeah.
and then something happened, and they lost everything.
Yeah, like many empires. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. I think like there. I don't think there's any such thing as an empire that can hold on to its power forever. Eventually, all empires
Mm.
lose power. Yeah.
Uh, I have been on Cambly for like 1 year
Y-
almost.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the first time I'm taking a class from a tutor who is standing.
Really? Wow. Do you know? Can you guess why I like to stand?
uh, to give it a touch of a classroom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Exactly. And also, like when I'm teaching, I like to move around a bit. You know.
Okay,
So yeah, yeah. I treat every like class like I'm doing like a presentation. So when I'm talking,
great. So how long have you?
how long have I been teaching on Cambly? Ah, good question. I've been teaching on Cambly since November 2019.
Great.
So you like documentaries, especially about history. What is it about history that fascinates you? What do you enjoy about history?
To be very honest, I sometimes even like to go back to the history
Yeah,
and see the people that how they used to live.
yes,
For example, sometimes I think in a way that the place where I am right now,
yeah.
before thousands of years, who was there,
Hmm.
and what this place would look like at that period of time?
Of course. If you had $1 billion, what would you do with the money?
$1 billion. I would invest that amount in order to make more money.
To make more money? Why would you need more money? Why?
I don't need money for myself, maybe,
Yeah.
because even I'm grateful whatever I have right
Good.
now. But maybe I will feel good when I fulfill the needs of others.
Fantastic. Yeah, very good, very good. Same. Sometimes I ask people that question and they say, oh, you know, like I'd buy like a nice car and a house. I'm like, what, with $1 billion? What else? You know, like some people, they don't have the imagination. They can't think of the possibilities of what you could do with that amount of money. Like you could start your own business. You could help out all your friends and family. You could do so much good
Yeah.
with that money.